How to add text to a TikTok video. To add text to a TikTok video, open the video you'd like to create in the TikTok app. From the controls at the bottom of your screen, select Text. Here you can change the font of your text, the color. You can justify it to the left, right, or center of your screen. And by clicking the A on the left-hand side, you can add a highlight. Today we're going to use the handwriting font, and we'll choose this dark turquoise color. Once you have your text written, click Done in the top right-hand corner. You can then drag your text around the screen to place it in the specific spot that you'd like. To increase the size of your text, pinch the center of the text and zoom in. If you'd like to delete your text, simply drag it to the top of the screen where the trash bin is. If you double-click your text, you can go back to the editor. If you tap your text once, you can set the duration for your text so that it only appears in a certain spot of your video. Use the trimmer to select the area. When you have your duration selected, click the check mark in the bottom right-hand corner. And that's how you add text to a TikTok video. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.